Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like a supermodel. What catwalk do you come from? Yeah. Like a genie in a bottle. I wouldn't even need 3 wishes, only one. And that's you, baby. You turn heads in every room that you enter. You got every man in this place saying, look at her. Cause you're so dope, baby. How can I leave here with you? You are the most, baby. I just gotta leave here with you. Excuse me, what's your name? I just want you, this ain't no game. Please, baby, let me show you. You got me shook, girl, but I just don't mind this earthquake. You got me hooked, girl, contemplating the next move I wanna make to get to you, baby. You turn it in.
Congratulations, Terry and Rebecca. We love you so much and we wish you a world of happiness. Congratulations, guys. We love you so much. God bless you.
These two people right here are the type of people that put the life in the room. And it's just, I can't say anything better.
I just wanna know you. I just wanna know you. I just wanna know you.